final corner for Jaguar. Is he going to put them top of the times after the second group? Yes, he is! Here comes Piquet across the line. It's only 10th place for him. His teammate Mitch Evans is quickest. The second round of the FIA Formula E Championship. This would be Jaguar's best ever result.
One of the key attributes we've been hugely impressed with is the quality of engineering that goes into our Panasonic products. Both the TOUGHBOOKs and the TOUGHPADs are beautifully engineered. Like this racing environment, we really rely on great engineering, and these products meet the highest standard. So the first really important piece of equipment is the Panasonic TOUGHPAD. This plays a really important role in our race operations in both the garage and also in the pit lane. We use the TOUGHPAD firstly as a notification system with race control. So we get lots of information from race control, particularly about specific situations and incidents on the track, and it's a really important tool for that. Because we can undock it, we can also move it around the garage, and it's really, really useful from that perspective and really protected, so a very strong piece of equipment. It's also really helpful as a mobile tool to enable us to look at the timing screens. That's really important for both the race operations team, the race management, but also the drivers in between their runs to look at where their lap times and where their sector times are compared to everyone else. The Panasonic TOUGHBOOK is also a really important piece of equipment for us. In this racing environment, we use the computers a lot for downloading data, so the cars carry a huge amount of data, and the engineers use them to plug in and download that data. It allows us to take that away and do lots of detailed analysis on this. Firstly, from a ruggedness point of view, it's a very tough and very strong piece of equipment. And in this environment, it's really crucial. We're open to the elements here, so whether it's heat or rain, if we are dropping the equipment, to know that it keeps working is perfected, and that's a really kind of key feature of the TOUGHBOOK, which works incredibly well for us. The data that we're downloading, the information we're taking is absolutely crucial, so knowing that's safe and protected is a vital attribute which the Panasonic TOUGHBOOK has in spades, and that's a really great advantage for us. The feedback from our engineers in this first phase of using the equipment has been fantastic. The key standout features have been the speed of processing, but also its capability in these bright conditions, in wet conditions, really important. And then the strength, knowing that they're tough and that they're strong, it's been a big peace of mind for our engineers when we're dealing with this really important information from the downloads in the car, but also how we utilise the TOUGHPADs on the race control station. Due to the success that we've seen with the Panasonic products we're using already, we're going to be introducing the new 12-inch detachable Panasonic TOUGHBOOK. It is fully ruggedized, so it has that strength that we need. Also, it has an anti-reflective and high-definition display, and for all the reasons we've talked about, it's going to be a really important piece of equipment for us.
The CF33 TOUGHBOOK is a versatile and durable device. That makes it the perfect tool for us to use in all racing environments, from super hot conditions to nice and cool ones like we have today. The fact that we can detach the screen is perfect. It means we get all the advantages of a super strong, usable system, but we can take the data straight to the driver in the cockpit.